you can hand turn it into place. All right, so now we've gotten into part 5 of this video. I didn't know it was going to go this long, but anyway, this new product is in some way better than this one, simply because one, you can regulate, you can figure out how much water you want come through the top here with this little knob. This show right here, you can twist it to have better flush or whatever, up to you. And then also when you connect it up to the bottom here, plumbers will know this. You can sort of hand tighten it. You don't need an actual wrench. Unlike this one, it's really hard to grab with your fingers and turn. Maybe some very strong plumbers can do it, but I couldn't. So I had to use a tool to twist this out of place. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.
Likey.